Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. I personally find desserts made with custard very easy and very interesting to make. Today I'm going to share another wonderful custard dessert. This is custard biscuit pudding. This is a layered pudding and it's very simple to make. Now I can't tell you how satisfying and how delicious this is. Let's get started and check it out. To a bowl, take half cup of milk. This is boiled and cooled milk. Add 3 tablespoons of custard powder and just 1 tablespoon of Maida, that is all-purpose flour. Mix everything till it's completely dissolved. Keep this aside. To a saucepan, add 1 liter of milk. Keeping the flame on a medium-low, add the custard mixture to the milk and whisk it immediately so there are no lumps formed. Next, add 1 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and mix everything well. Now once the sugar is dissolved, you can increase the flame to a medium-high and start cooking the custard mixture till it thickens. Now this is going to take about 10 minutes. You don't want to burn the custard at the bottom, so you have to continuously mix it or using a whisk. Once the custard begins to thicken, add about 2 tablespoons of softened unsalted butter. So this is going to make your custard very creamy and very rich. So you can see the custard is coming together beautifully. It's nicely bubbling up. The custard has come to a nice dropping consistency. Turn off the stove. Now we'll start layering the pudding with the biscuits. For this recipe, I'm using the dark chocolate bourbon biscuits. So I'm removing the cream and placing the biscuits onto the base of the bowl. So you can use any biscuits of your choice. Next, spoon a little bit of the custard mixture, spread it out evenly. Depending on the size of the bowl, you can adjust the quantity of biscuits. Add another layer of the biscuits, top it with another layer of custard. Make sure you spread it out evenly. Now we've layered the bowl with the biscuit and custard mixture. I'm going to top it off with some nice melted chocolate. Using a double boiler, take a saucepan with water. I'm just placing a glass bowl. For this, I'm using about 1 cup of chocolate Callets. This is nice, good quality chocolate Callets. But if you don't have these, you can use chocolate chips or you can just use good quality cooking chocolate for this recipe. Just keep mixing it till the chocolate melts. Next, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of softened unsalted butter. This will make the chocolate sauce nice and creamy. Now that the chocolate sauce is done, once the chocolate sauce comes to room temperature, gently pour it over the custard and spread it out evenly. So now that we've layered the custard biscuit pudding, it's time to refrigerate it. Let it sit in the refrigerator for a couple of hours. You can also make it the previous day and let it refrigerate overnight. After about 5 hours, I'm going to check on the custard biscuit pudding. It's set beautifully. So I'm just going to cut it into 4 to show you the layers. So this is a nice individual portion, but you can also set it in a large bowl and cut it into small pieces and you can serve it. Wow, look at the layers. It's set so beautifully. You can see the biscuit, the custard and the chocolate layer. It looks amazing. So you can see how amazing and irresistible this pudding is. So make sure you make it beforehand and refrigerate it and serve it nice and chilled for yourself or for your guests. So do try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now. So you can place your orders on 21frames.in.